Hi, Stanna McDougal with Keller Williams Realty here, and today I'm at Jasmine Creek Florist, and I'd like to introduce you to Beverly Ireland, who is the owner of Jasmine Creek Florist and also Mission Hills Florist. So, because we're close to Valentine's Day, Beverly is going to give us some tips for buying flowers for Valentine's Day. Thank you, Beverly.
Stanna, thanks for coming to my little flower shop on the corner here.
Of course.
The Day of Love is coming, and I just want to let you know that the best thing to do is to call us early. And you get extra points if you have your floral deliveries delivered to your sweetheart at the office.
Oh.
So we will be delivering on Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday so that you can get your flowers delivered early and get lots of those extra points.
Good point.
Yeah. I just want to show you a couple things here. This is our Jasmine Creek Florist Valentine's Day special, and it features the Asiatic lilies,
Gosh,
red
so
roses, tulips, hydrangea, and of course hearts. It's in a great water source, so it'll last for a really long time. This is a wonderful Valentine's bouquet. And then if you want something with more wow factor, our dozen roses. Aren't those gorgeous?
They're
These
gorgeous.
roses are called Freedom Roses,
Gorgeous.
Stanna, and they open huge.
Wow.
Very long lasting.
I wish
And
it
then-
was smell-o-vision.
And then we can accent it with a little bear or a box of chocolates, whatever your sweetheart likes.
Sounds great.
If you want something a little more conservative, maybe it's your first date, I would consider the tulips. We put them in a beautiful vase with a real contemporary flair, and tulips are a great arrangement because they have a life of their own and they change every day in the vase.
Great.
So, 3 kind of cute ideas for Valentine's Day, but
absolutely.
order early and
Okay.
we deliver and you can pick it up in our shops.
Okay. Thank you, Beverly. And you know, you cannot go wrong with Jasmine Creek Florist or Mission Hills Florist. Thank you again.
You're welcome.
Okay, bye.
Bye.